just to the left of my computer screen is a thermometer, and that thermometer reads indoor and outdoor temperatures. And this morning I glanced at it and it said minus 30.5 degrees Celsius outside. Well, if you happen to live in Tennessee, well, that means about 23 degrees below zero. Yeah. Anyway, here in Winnipeg we're kind of used to that. I don't like it, but kind of used to it. Anyway, let's get on with the big clock project. Still works. Made that case many years ago. Yeah, Lusitania, Titanic. Anyway, bandsaws used to stand right here. Now they're shoved back over there by the lathe. And I think I'll have a lot more room here now. In fact, I don't think, I know, to try and assemble this. I'm not going to show how I did it. I'm just going to go ahead and do it and get it done. Yeah. Yeah. We're almost there, folks. And as long as I'm showing you my models, here's the USS Constitution. It's sitting over by my workbench in another area. And, you know, I only have 3 models left of all the models that I made in the 70s and 80s. Yeah, the 3 you just saw, that's all that's left. But the reason I'm showing you this is because I'm planning on starting to do another model ship. At least that's the plan. I don't know how many episodes, and I'm hoping it gets interrupted with a clock or something in between, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Right now I'm full of plans and not too much energy. Yeah. The hardest part was not putting this together. The hardest part was figuring out how am I going to mount the dial onto this thing so that it can be just the right distance out from the frame and have it so that the dial can be flexed just right so that as the movement rotates around on the inside, the teeth will be lined up with the sprocket on the movement, if you know what I mean. And I spent probably more time just sitting here looking at it trying to figure it out, but I think I got it figured out. And I got to start on the brackets. You can see right here. That's a start. That's going to be part of it. And I think it's going to work. I think the way things are going wrong, I would say 2 more days. I think in 2 more days we should have this thing running. Thanks for watching.